Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this module, that is Agentforce Trust Layer. So we have to cover each module one by one, and it is a complete module, means complete video. Here I'll cover all these three modules in the single video. So first of all, let me just open it. And all contains quizzes. So you have to read the concepts and try to answer yourself. So let's answer it. And here, mostly you have to click on check quiz. And after that, you'll be able to get the completion mark over here, right? Now similarly, open the second one, come to the challenge, read the question. So done. Now we have to open the third one, that is the final. So come to the challenge directly, read the question again. So like this, we completed the entire module. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and do not worry about these entire modules. All things are covered on the channel. Just check the playlist.